down. Pretty ghetto, but they still work. Animal Hamilton PC pedals, clear. This seat, demolition seat. Got it from Morley Wax Proto. Thanks a lot for that. For the sprocket, also got that from Morley Wax Proto. It's a Eastern Medusa blue, I think, 25 tooth, and then in the back I have a cassette hub, so the ratio is 25:13 actually. It's kind of off. I gotta get a new back cassette. Also, the back rim was stock, along with the front wheel. I don't know if I said that already. So they're both stock. Animal ASM tire, Maxxis at front. But yeah, that's it. Alright, thanks a lot.
I wanna be rich and I want lots of money. I don't care about clever, I don't care about funny. I want loads of clothes and I want loads of diamonds. I heard people die while they're trying to find them. And I'll take my clothes off and it will be shameless, cause everyone knows that's how you get famous. I'll look at the sun and I'll look in the mirror. I'm on the right track, yeah, I'm on to a winner. I don't know what's right and what's real anymore. And I don't know how I'm meant to feel anymore. When do you think it will all become clear? 'Cause I'm being taken over by the fear. Life's about film stars and less about mothers. It's all about fast cars and cussing each other. But it doesn't matter, cause I'm packing plastic.
Exo bar spin. Bus bar spin. Regular toss bar spin.